Okay, so I have one of these lights on my bike. That's my rear signal light. And when I got it, that one on the right hand side doesn't work, but I'm just showing you the left hand side here. So they're going to send me a new one, but I thought, well, why don't I try to fix the one I have? So underneath, I took off the panel. I don't know if you can see this or not, but I took off the panel and I took off the light. If you look right here, I got the signal light out of there now. And so the signal light's out, and I took it apart. I had to use these things to take it apart. And I don't know if you can focus on that, but I took this thing and I took it and I basically just snapped this off. So if you can see this or not, I don't know, but I thought this unscrewed, so I kind of broke this thing here.
Nope.
And this was kind of broken, and so I put that and I glued this thing on, and it was only broken a little bit, but I glued it on, and then I took the pliers and I snapped this part off. So I don't know if that's clear or not. I'm just trying to get you a better focus, but I took it apart. It was like this. This little board here was inside there. So if you can see this here on the back side, it has two prongs that came out of there. I imagine that's where it was connected, either on either side there. And so I gotta solder the wires. So I took the wires off of there. I have basically your hot and your ground. It was basically hooked up there as a common ground, and then your hot wire. So now I've got everything apart, and I've got to solder those blue and actually this part over here, the blue wire and the black wire. I've got to solder that onto this little board. So I'm going to stick it through here first, all the way through, and then I'm going to get my soldering iron and solder that onto either side there, either side of this there, here or there. Once I get that soldered on, then the light should work. So I got to kind of figure out which wire goes where. I've got a blue wire and a ground wire, so I don't think they have the schematics for this little light online, but I'm going to look. That's it for now. I'll let you know my progress once I get that soldered and back on the bike, but I might test it first to see which one it goes to.